To check your credit score on Credit Karma, start by creating an account on their website or mobile app. This is a free service that provides you with your credit score report and monitoring. You will need to provide some basic personal information such as your name, email address, and social security number to verify your identity. Once you have created your account, log into your Credit Karma dashboard. Here you will see an overview of your credit information, including your current credit score. Your credit score is based on information in your credit reports, including payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history. To view your full credit report, click on the Credit Report tab. This will show you a detailed breakdown of your credit history, including all accounts, payments, and inquiries. Reviewing your credit report regularly can help you identify any errors or inaccuracies that may be affecting your credit score. In addition to your credit score and report, Credit Karma also provides you with credit monitoring and alerts. This means that you will be notified of any changes to your credit report, such as new accounts or inquiries. This can help you stay on top of your credit and prevent identity theft. To get the most out of Credit Karma, make sure to check your credit score and report regularly. You should also take advantage of their credit tools and resources, such as their credit score simulator and credit card recommendations. By following these steps and using Credit Karma effectively, you can gain a better understanding of your credit and make informed decisions to improve it. It is also important to note that Credit Karma uses the VantageScore 3.0 credit scoring model, which is based on information from TransUnion, one of the 3 major credit bureaus. This means that your credit score on Credit Karma may be slightly different from your score on other credit reporting websites or with other credit scoring models. Overall, Credit Karma is a valuable tool for anyone looking to monitor and improve their credit. By following these steps and using Credit Karma regularly, you can take control of your credit and achieve your financial goals.